Well, it looks like I already had another video banned from my TikTok account. TikTok is absolutely fascinating. It makes zero sense. And it is a very interesting platform in the sense that you can get a wide variety of people watching your video content, but at the same time, they just do so many random things. And not just to me because I'm an animal rights activist, but actually to a lot of people. So do you see what I see here? This is a video of mine that they banned. Now, I put a little thing on here that says that foot fetish guy. I was responding to somebody who wrote me a little commentary there. He had written to me that he would be vegan if I showed the bottom of my feet or some ridiculous thing. So I thought I would make a joke out of it. This is my account, by the way, in case you're looking for me. It is thatveganteacher, Miss KADIE, but for you guys to find it, you go to music by thatveganteacher. And as you see, I have just squeaked by and I have 5 million likes and I have 1 million followers over there. So luckily I did save this video so I can show you guys how incredibly obscene it is and how it absolutely deserves to be having a community violation or not. All right, so as you see here, it says community violation, and it is supposedly being banned for, do you see that? Do you see what I see there? Nudity and sexual activity for showing the bottom of my foot. Yes, people, this is what it's come to. And the strange thing is that it actually doesn't even have an appeal button. If you go here, often you can press something and then it has an appeal button. But you see here, it doesn't even, it just says video removed. That's it. Some robot thought that the bottom of my foot was, I don't know what. I guess AI now thinks the bottom of people's feet are sexual or something. These are the tags I used: foot fetish, feet, foot soldier, just man or bear, to get the attention of different people regarding the subject of men and women. And here, let me show you the video. All right, so just for context, there I am. This is a comment that he had sent me. His name is Alejandro. Now, I put this in here, foot fetish guy, just on my own because he seemed to be making comments about my feet, so I thought that would be kind of funny. Now, the goal here is to try to get people to watch the video as often as possible, and this is my strategy here, to make it interesting, hold people's attention. So what I did is I only show part of the text behind here. Now I wrote, like I said, I wrote this part here in red myself, and I put the little paw prints, but you can see here it says, how much does saving animals mean to you? So when you first see me coming in, you can read that one line, but it's very hard to read the rest. And if you wait around, you're going to be curious enough to see, it says, I have a video of you drinking a green drink. Not sure what this person's talking about. Probably something I posted at some time in the summer in bare feet. And you show it says you show your barefoot. Okay, so then he goes on and says, on the third line here, show me, wait for it. So I pause it for you there, and it says, show me your soles and I'll never eat meat again. That's the whole video. This is what they decided to ban over on TikTok because apparently my feet are just too wild and crazy, too sexy. So let me know in the comments below if this has ever happened to you. Have you ever had a video banned for some bizarre reason? I know that many people have videos banned on TikTok, and a lot of them are frustrated, and they're not all animal rights activists. But the most frustrating thing is that there's not even an appeal button. So it's a computer, an AI robot, who made this decision. And that's frustrating because obviously if anyone who was an adult human had seen this, they would have thought, okay, it's just a joke. She's having fun. It's a play on words and so on. And it would have been reinstated. Anyway, now you guys have seen it. This is TikTok. If you enjoy this video, make sure that you comment on it and press the like button. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next videos, and maybe over on TikTok if you feel like going over to the crazy place that it is. See you all next time. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on